फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं एक और नए टॉपिक के साथ हाजिर हूँ। आज का जो मेरा टॉपिक है वो है जनरल कंबाइंड डिफिनीशन ऑफ सिविल इंजीनियरिंग, दैट इज़ पार्ट 1। इसका जो क्वेश्चन है वो 1 से लेकर 10 तक है। तो आइए देखते हैं। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, व्हाट इज़ द रोल ऑफ सिविल इंजीनियर। सिविल इंजीनियरिंग का कंस्ट्रक्शन में क्या रोल है? इसका सीधा साधा आंसर है, अ सिविल इंजीनियर ऑफ इन्वॉल्व्स द प्लानिंग, design, construction, operation and maintenance of roads, bridges and tunnel to ensure safe and effective transportation of people and goods. Good means saman. Question number 2. What is the traffic management? इसका आंसर है, traffic management is the method of control for road work that is the measures to improve road safety for all its users and ease congestion or control the use of the cars. CES M3 Civil Engineering Standard Method of Measurement number 3. So, question number 3 is, how do you check work statement? Answer है, a safe work method statement must be prepared for all high risk construction works or projects. Question number 5 है, what is the shop drawings? What do you check in that? So its answer is detailed construction drawings that show the proposed material, shape, size is called shop drawing. Question number 6, what is contract problem? Answer is, in contract, if any parties do not understand exactly what is expected of them, especially one or both of the parties don't know the contract term of condition, is called contract problem. Question number 7. What are the main components of the clause 14.1 programs? क्लास मीन दफ़ा और इसका जो नंबर है वो है 14.1। इसका आंसर है, द मटेरियल शुड नॉट बी इशूड unless it's final certified by two persons on behalf of the company in the manner provided in this clause. Question number R, what is claim? इसका आंसर है, a statement that something is true is called claim. Question number 9, what is priority of contract documents? इसका सबसे पहला जो आंसर है वह है द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट डिटेल्स. These terms and conditions document incorporated including by reference in these terms and conditions the remaining appendixes to these terms and conditions, prioritization of contract details and attachment. Pre-contractual document which post dates the tender, the contractor tender, the customer request for tender, the contractor expression of interest, the customer request for expression of interest. Question number 10 is general specification mentioned in the priority of document? Answer है no. The specification is a technological document containing full scientific detail of the project. So thanks for watching my video today. So inshallah we will be meet in next video. तब तक के लिए मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त।